Hey everyone, I'm going to give you some help for your first Module 1 project, your assignment. So by this time you should have already, kind of gone through your discussion post. And in that one, it was asking you to identify a STEM-related issue that's important to you. And you can, use Science News, which is listed here. I do think that Science News might have a paywall after a certain point. But this can kind of give you like a jumping off point. Another website that you could use to search, STEM related issues is Science Daily. So if you're interested in health topics, you could go to any one of these. If you're interested in the environment, space, you can search certain things. And so what these are considered tertiary sources because they are, they're kind of summarizing, these are secondary sources. And in many cases, they're kind of summarizing a journal article, which can be found at the bottom. And so this is actually helpful because whenever you use Science Daily, it'll give you that reference and it will automatically cite the information for you in APA citation. So that's really helpful. So if you look at if we go back to the assignment part, so this is right here. So we're going to click on this and we're going to go to the guidelines and rubric. And so what this is asking you to do is you're selecting your STEM topic, right? Now, a STEM topic, a STEM topic is anything related to science, to technology, so like air and water pollution, infectious diseases, climate change, the use of AI and machine learning, pretty much it's a big umbrella. So you want to find 5 sources of information about the issue that you are interested in. Now it says, locate these using the searching techniques section and the finding books and articles section. So that's in the module resources, which I'm going to go back to in just a second. And then you're going to describe each source that you located. You're going to answer these questions, and then you're going to identify the key information. There is a template to help you with this. And so I've given you kind of an instructor example of this. So I listed here that my topic was hydraulic fracturing or fracking. This is the source in APA format. I'm describing the source, whether it was scholarly or popular, is it peer-reviewed, what I used to search for it, and then the key information in that article. Now, I didn't fill out the complete thing, but this is essentially what you're going to be doing. So then you'll find your second source and you'll answer the same questions and the key information, and then you'll go to your third source, your fourth, and then your fifth. So I would just use the template. Now, finding information, as I said before, you can use Science News, you can use Science Daily. If you look at the module resources, you can go right to here, so the resources section. And so this is getting started with research, and this is the APA style guide. So if we click on the getting started with research, this is just going to give you, like how to complete research here. The important thing is the finding resources tab. So you will want to look for, peer-reviewed resources are best. So let's just go ahead. I'm just going to type in my topic. So fracking. Apparently it thinks I'm not logged in. So it's going to take a little bit. We're going to skip that for now. Okay. So here is all of the results that came from just that one search, right? So on the left-hand side, you can click news, academic journals, magazines. Like I said, academic journals is kind of like the go-to. The other thing that you may want to look at is, oh, I think they must have gotten rid of that. Oh, here it is. So the publication date. So you want relevant information. So you might want to set this to, I don't know, let's set it to, 2015. And, don't forget to have it, update it. So yeah, show more. So it's updating it. And so I can go in here, and look at different things. So here's like the study of the fracturing. This is an academic journal. So if I click on this, right, it'll give me the information, the abstract, and I can go through and read the things that I need to read about it. Now, as far as citing this in APA format, you can go to this tools on the right hand side and hit cite, and it will give it to you right there. So there's the APA format. So you can just copy and paste that right into your document, right into where it's asking for the citation. So the module will tell you the differences between the different sources. So that's going to be in the guideline. So this is kind of telling you like, what is a STEM related issue? What are different sources? So here's like the difference between a primary source, a secondary, and a tertiary. So that'll help you fill out, this part of your information. But yeah, if you have any questions, refer to this video, refer to the document that I sent to you guys. It's pretty straightforward. But again, if you struggle with it, just let me know and I can help you out.